In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic keypad. I will explain and show the differences between our two keypads, explain how to program an access code onto the keypad, demonstrate how to set two different codes to the same keypads under different channels, demonstrate how to learn a keypad to a receiver, how to delete an access code from a keypad, how to change the master password, and how to reset the master password to the factory setting. These are the two styles of keypads that USAutomatic offers. Both keypads will show our USAutomatic logo. The main difference is the materials they are made of. One keypad is made of metal and the other is made of plastic. The metal keypad shows an A and B, whereas the plastic has a star and pound sign. These sets of buttons mean the same thing. Another difference between these keypads is the metal keypad's buttons will light up when pressed, whereas the plastic's does not. When you enter the code correctly, the metal keypad's number 5 will flash, and the plastic keypad has a light at the top that will flash when the code is entered correctly. When programming an access code into the keypad, first you will need to enter the master password. The default master password in all keypads is 11111. For the demonstration, the access code will be 12B. I'll press the 1 5 times and then press 9. 9 is to add an access code. The keypad should beep twice, indicating that I've entered the master password correctly for access code programming. Next, I'll enter my code. Press 9, enter the code again, and then press 1 to program to channel 1. As you can see, it beeped twice, indicating that that code is now programmed to channel 1 in the keypad. The B or pound sign is required at the end of an access code if the access code is less than 5 digits. An access code cannot be longer than 5 digits. To learn the keypad to the receiver, enter the access code on the keypad, which is 12B. And continue to hold the last digit, which is B. While holding the last digit, press and hold P1 on the receiver until the green light comes on. Now the keypad is programmed to the receiver. Entering the access code 12B will activate the receiver, which will open or close the gate. To delete an access code from the keypad, enter the master password. The default is 11111. Then press 7. 7 is to delete an access code. Your keypad should beep twice. Enter the access code you wish to delete, which is 12B. Then press 7. Enter the code again, and press 7. Your keypad should beep twice, indicating that the access code has been successfully deleted. To verify that the access code has been deleted, enter the code 12B. To delete all access codes from the keypad, you will need to enter the master password. The default is 11111. Then press 7. 7 is to delete a code. Your keypad should beep twice. Enter the master code again. Hit 7. Enter the master code one more time. And press 7. The two beeps indicate that all access codes have now been deleted from the keypad. To program to channel 1, for the demonstration, our code will be 12B. I will enter the master password of the default 11111 and then press 9. 9 is to add an access code. My keypad should beep twice. And then I'll enter my code, hit 9, enter the code again, and hit 1. Now my code is programmed to channel 1 on the keypad. To program to channel 2, for the demonstration, the access code will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll first enter the master password and then hit 9. 9 is to add a code. My keypad should beep twice. Now I enter my code, hit 9, enter my code again, and hit 2 for channel 2. The keypad has beeped twice, indicating that this code is now programmed to channel 2 under the keypad. If you want to change the master password, if it's less than 5 digits, it must have a pound or B at the end. For the demonstration, the master password will be 54321. To change the master password, you will first need to enter the current master password. Our default is 11111, and then press 8. 8 is to change a master password. Now enter your new master, press 8, enter the new master again, and press 8. Your keypad should beep twice, letting you know that you have changed your master password. If you have lost or forgotten the master password, the PUK or password unlocking key code will be required to reset back to the factory default, which is located inside the back of the keypad. Each keypad has a unique PUK code. To reset, enter the default master password, which is 11111, and then press 8. You will hear one long beep, but that's okay. Enter the PUK code, press 8, enter the code again, and press 8. Your keypad should beep twice, letting you know that the master password has been reset back to the factory default of 11111. If you get a long beep when entering the PUK code, that means the PUK code has been set as the master password. Press the A or star button to start over and use the PUK code as the master password and follow the steps to change master password.